Hi there, fellow traders. Welcome back to our channel. Whether you're a seasoned Forex pro or just starting out on your trading journey, one thing is certain: knowledge is key. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of books and reveal the top 5 must-read titles that every Forex trader should have on their bookshelf. Let's get started. Book 1. Trading in the Zone, by Mark Douglas. This book delves into the often overlooked psychological side of trading. It explores how mastering your mindset, emotions, and discipline can be just as important as analyzing charts. If you're looking to sharpen your mental edge, this one's a game changer. Book 2. Japanese Candlestick Charting Techniques, by Steve Nissen. This book is a treasure trove for understanding candlestick patterns, an essential tool for any technical analyst. It breaks down the art of reading candlestick charts and how to use these patterns to predict market movements. Book 3. Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets, by John J. Murphy. For a comprehensive guide on technical analysis, look no further than Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets by John J. Murphy. This book covers everything from chart patterns to indicators, helping you build a solid foundation in technical analysis. It's a must-have reference for any serious trader. Book 4. Market Wizards, by Jack D. Schwager. This series of books is like sitting down with successful traders and hearing their personal stories, strategies, and insights. It's a goldmine of real-world wisdom from traders who've been there, done that, and are generously sharing their experiences. Book 5. The Little Book of Currency Trading, by Kathy Lean. This book is an excellent starting point for beginners. It breaks down the basics of Forex trading, covering essential concepts, strategies, and practical tips for navigating the Forex market. And there you have it, fellow traders, our top 5 book recommendations that can help elevate your Forex trading journey. Remember, while books are fantastic resources, the real learning happens through practice and experience. So, grab a copy of these titles, dive in, and apply the knowledge you gain to your trading strategy. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more trading insights. Until next time, happy reading and trading.